In Japanese, you can express even if I-adjective X by changing an I-adjective to the te form and adding mo after it. For example, 忙しくても友達と家族と時間を過ごすのは大事なことです。In this example, 忙しい, which means busy, is changed to its te form 忙しくて and mo is added after it, so it becomes 忙しくても, which means even if you are busy, X. X is 友達と家族と時間を過ごすのは大事なことです, which means it's important to spend time with friends and family. Of course, you can also change an I-adjective to the negative te form and add mo after it to say even if not I-adjective, X. For example, その選手は強くなくても速いから勝てます. In this example, 強い, which means strong, is changed to its negative te form 強くなくて and mo is added after it, so it becomes 強くなくても, which means even if not strong, X. And X is 速いから勝てます, which means because he's fast, he can win. Please follow for more Japanese tips.